What do you keep hearing from people that you work with?
Yeah, I hear that there's always they say that I have no time.
Mm.
I have no time. I have a lot of things to do, but they came to me and they want to be guided,
Mm.
right? They say I don't have time and I have a lot of things to do. Gym is not for me, something like that. Every limiting beliefs that I have no time. Of course, we have time. We equally have time, rich
Mhm.
or poor, living from northern hemisphere to southern hemisphere. We each all have 24 hours. It's just a matter of our priorities, right? It's just a matter of priority. We all have 24 hours, even the rich, will not get 25 hours, but
Mhm.
it all goes down to our priorities, whether it's up to you if your priorities is health or if your priority is your job, if your priority is to gossip or if your priority is to just chill. It
Mhm.
all goes down for us, but after all, we don't want to have the regret that we never really take care of our body.